Doing some last minute card comping before we head out to Culture Collision CC4. Let's go. Just getting up, 4 a.m. About to hit the airport and be on my way to Atlanta. Let's get it. About to jump on this plane to Atlanta. So we're gonna run that in-flight montage. Let's go. Out here in Atlanta. I'm starving, so I'm about to go find me a Georgia peach and kick up the feet for a little bit. Hop Dotties, that's a big 9 out of 10. Fries are super fire, man. Everything is fire. Shout out to Killer Mike, Run the Jewels, man. Hop Dotties in Atlanta. We out here. Sports Cards HQ, man. It's a beautiful thing.
Yes.
Another wonderful party. Culture Collision,
man.
4, CC4, man.
That's right.
It's going down.
I know, man. CC5 about to be crazy. It's coming.
Was that September?
Yeah, we're doing another one, man. September, man. And then 2025, we got some good news. We're going to do 4 shows next year. We're going to expand the brand, man, and do more. Do more for the hobby and the collectible space. Introduce you to other spaces that don't even consider collectibles. So I think that's important. You're a collector.
I'm a collector.
I know.
I collect everything.
And he's an artist too, which is even better. That's why I support artists and collectors. I buy everything.
It's all together. It's all together.
That's it.
Yo, we got the one and only Dr. Collectible in the building. Yo, I was gonna ask what you're searching for, but I just want to know, man. You're always networking your ass off. What's the next move, man? You're always moving.
Yeah, man. So you know me. I'm always about the partnerships and working with businesses. So you'll definitely see me working with more shows across the country. But not only that, by partnership with, Fanatics Live, been working with them lately. Definitely Tops. You're gonna see me doing some things for them soon. And like I said, I'm just on the grind, yo. I love to, blossom. Like I say, my clothing, you already know what that's going on. Dr. Collectible, merch. So for me, it's all about being a better individual as a business person, but also a content creator.
That's what we call a boss, man.
You know it, brother.
Appreciate you, brother.
Hey, you know it all day, man. Make sure y'all come to the A, yo. It's lit this weekend.
What you sipping on, man? What you sipping on?
Yo, so I think I'm sipping on Basement Light, 120 calories. You ain't drinking on one, man, better go get one, yo.
What you hunting for this weekend?
I'm hunting for a lot of cases. I'm gonna look for, I have a list of players for like baseball, football that I'm looking for. I'm gonna hunt that list down. Catch me during the show, I'll give you some of the names, you know.
What's up, everybody? Okay, cool. All right, so I want to thank every one of you guys for coming out tonight. But more, I want to say this. So I think a couple of years ago, we had a coach that decided and said, we are the hobby. I'm thinking about it while we're here. What makes the show special is the fact that it takes each and every one of you guys to be a part of something special. And I always say that there's no particular show that's better than any other show, but the people that make up the show, that's what makes a hobby special, right? right? So I think that if you look at everybody in this room, and we all look different, we all act different, right? But we're special in our own right. And I think that's what makes this hobby even more special, that you can walk in a room and meet somebody you never would have thought you would have met, but you have similar interests in different things. So I want to say that when you think about We Are the Hobby, and you see it on my sign, you see me talk about it sometimes, I think it's important that you think about the other people that are in the room that you may have never met before, may not had anything in common before, but now you have an opportunity to meet someone you've never met before and have similar interests. So I want to say thank you to everybody that's came out, and just say that, hey, we are the Hobby. So that's it. Thank you.
Yeah. Hitman in the building.
What's up, man?
What you on the hunt for this weekend?
Probably just buying a lot this show. And
Okay.
checking out the show for the first time. I've never been to Atlanta, so thought it'd be a fun.
Looks
trip.
good, right?
Yeah, Atlanta. I mean, yeah, I'm glad it's not cold right now. I thought it was gonna be cold, but
What anything in particular you on the hunt for, or just buying?
I'm a Chargers fan, so I'll be
Okay.
looking for Justin Herbert. I think he's gonna be hot this offseason, especially with the signing of Harbaugh. So
Easy.
I'll be looking for some Herbert to buy. I hope his market didn't go crazy already because of this head coach signing. You know.
Awesome, man. I appreciate you, man.
No
Make sure you
problem.
check out his channel. Hitman Rips on YouTube. Let's go.
Geoff Wilson, who needs no introduction.
And thank you all for coming out tonight. You're the first group of people ever to see this store, other than our own team that's been working on it. And I'm thrilled to be able to host everybody tonight and actually to have this to the spot where everybody can come see it. This has been a dream of mine to open up a store like this for the last couple of years. And I got really lucky just over a year ago when I was in Nashville at the National Card Show, and I bumped into Ryan and Carter, or somewhere around here, I think. Or there's yeah. I'm surprised he's not sleeping yet. These guys have, for the last like 4 or 5 months, they have been working their tails off, like nonstop, 7 days a week, to really make all of this possible. And my hope with this shop, our hope with this shop, is that this really helps elevate the hobby here in Atlanta. You know, I wanted to create a space that has enough room for people to come hang out and for people to share the collector experience with other people. I don't want this shop to just be transactional. I want this shop to be a place where people want to come spend a Saturday afternoon and enjoy cards and get to meet other hobbyists and get to watch games and watch breaks and watch all of this happen. And it's really cool kind of seeing it come together. And I really hope that by opening our doors, it helps everybody in the community. I hope it helps the other card shops in the community. I hope that it helps aspiring breakers, because I hope it creates more collectors, and I hope it builds awareness of the hobby. This hobby is a really special thing. All of us in this room know that. We know that this is a really damn special thing to be part of it. And so to be able to share this with more people, I think it's a really cool opportunity, and I hope that this does it. So we're honored to have you guys here tonight. Tomorrow, we're going to be spending the entire day loading all of our showcases with cards and putting up our wax wall and everything. Saturday night, we're hosting a trade night here from 5:30 p.m. to 11 p.m. And if you can come back Saturday night, I think by then, we'll have the entire store set up with all the cards and the wax, and we hopefully will actually be open for business. So that would be cool Saturday night, so we'll see you guys back then. I wanted to thank Culture Collision. Raphael and his team have done a fantastic job. We're so excited to have a show right around the corner here in Atlanta, representing Atlanta in a great way. And you know, it's just awesome just being right around the corner and having that synergy, and we want to continue to support him and his team. So thank you for the opportunity, we really appreciate it. And thank you guys for coming tonight. Hang out, we're going to be here for the next couple of hours. I think our friends from Loot Box are actually, no one's put our breaking table to the test yet. That's brand new, we just fired it up today. And so I think he's going to go over there and break some wax in a minute. Feel free to watch, hopefully he'll pull something big to kind of coordinate the new store here. So anyway, appreciate y'all, thank you very much.
Paradise Breakers.
What's up, man?
What you hunting for this weekend?
I want Hall of Famer autos this weekend. That's what I'm looking for, honestly.
Who's on the top of the list?
I always want Kobe. I always want Brady. But I'm actually on the lookout for like Emmitt Smith autos.
Okay.
Michael
22.
Irvin.
I like it.
Just more of those middle, Jerry Rice.
Okay.
I want autos like that. So that's actually that's my prime objective, to find cards like that while I'm here. Because we're from Vegas.
Yeah.
So we don't actually get to see a lot of the vendors that are at the shows out here. So I'm looking to find some new vendors to buy new product I normally don't see.
Definitely check out their shop in Vegas. Paradise Card Breaks.
Oh yeah, man.
Hey, appreciate you, brother. Yeah, we got Jordan here. Jordan Cards 41, right?
Jordan's Cards 41, yep.
Yep, on Instagram. What are you hunting for this weekend?
Probably some PC cards, actually. I haven't picked up any big Dirk or Kristaps cards in a while, so Gold Kaboom would be ideal.
This man has all the gold kabooms, man, I swear. If you got a gold kaboom, holla at my boy, man.
Please.
My dude, pro Zeniac coming through. What you pick up, man? We went to the brewery trade night.
Little on-card Pulisic.
Oh,
Olsen.
there you go.
Little Mbappe on.
Oh, damn, that's what this is, gold or orange?
Sapphire.
Sapphire.
25.
Damn.
Little Messi rookie.
Oh, yep, can't go wrong with the Messi. What is that, a 9?
Yep.
Oh, there you go. There you go.
Just a couple.
Those are Hollins.
Just to sweeten the deal.
What's this up?
Macario.
What? PMG? You know I'm all about the Pulisic, man. That thing is sick.
Fire on card.
Sick. And Mbappe too. Killing it. Make sure you follow my boy. I'm gonna put the link in there. Yo, we got this, I believe to be a slab from CardsHQ. We about to crack this thing open. See what we got. What is it? What is this? What is it, a pager? Did these niggas give me a pager? What is this? What is this? A tracking device? Oh, it might be a... What is this? Is this like a battery? What is this? I have no idea. I'm thinking it's a battery pack, but I have no fucking clue. Cool, I'll take it. What's with the tracking device?